So what we're going to do today as the first part of this demo is actually show you how you can leverage the Atlan context layer to build an agent in an IDE like Cursor. So let me share my screen. So what you see here is my Cursor workspace. In my Cursor workspace, I have integrated two MCP servers. The first MCP server is Atlan's MCP server, and the second MCP server is the agent framework that I'm using here, which is Cloud Managed Agents. Now, all I need to do is paste in the prompt that I want to build. Now, what immediately starts happening is that because of all your enterprise context that lives in Atlan, all of that can be leveraged to now build this contact center agent that we're building called Maya. It understands and it knows that it needs to go and look at all of our tables. It helps you search for that. It helps you search for all of your knowledge files, which are all your SOPs. It teaches the agent what to do and in what situation. It also can build all of your skills. Think of skills as mental models or capabilities that you need your agent to have to be able to do any operation. It builds things like semantic models. So semantic models are essentially files that allow your agent to understand your database. It allows your agent to understand your tables. It does simulations. It runs an evaluation to identify how good the context that you're building for your agent is. And then finally, it builds a soul file, which gives your agent an identity. And then it also goes ahead and deploys it to your agent framework. Now, what's happening here is that we're now searching through all of the different assets. It's found something like customer 360, which could be super useful for a customer support use case. It found something called contact center interactions so that it can historically go back and look at all of the different interactions that that user might have had with that customer support agent. It also found all of our business concepts. It understood things like service reliability. It understood things like carrier interaction. All of that automatically gets bootstrapped and leveraged, making my life as a builder really, really easy. Let me show you what I did backstage right before the demo is actually build an agent completely through it. So as you can see, what we are doing, what that agent is automatically doing is that it's finding all of our business concepts. It's finding all of our SOPs that we've defined and stored in Atlan that Varun just showed. Also, what it's doing is it's actually generating us all of the skill files that we need. So think about skill files such as the voice and tone of the agent. How do we route escalations? How do we manage refunds? All of them get automatically created from the context that we have in Atlan, as well as all of our semantic models also automatically get defined and created. And what this leads to is a completely deployed agent. So let's show you what the deployed agent actually looks like. What we've used here is Claude managed agents to actually do the deployment, but you can also use any other agent framework, whether it's Google's ADK, whether it's LangGraph, you can easily build on top of them through all of these different tools that Atlan has. So as you can see here, our agent has a system prompt that was generated through the context that Atlan already creates in the context layer. We created all the tools that the agent needs, as well as all the skills that the agent needs to be able to complete this operation.